In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make people not wear your outfit in Catalog Avatar Creator. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to join public servers, however, you don't like it when people copy the outfits that you've made for whatever reason, then change this setting that I showcased in this video and you will be able to prevent that. So like I said before, you can consider joining a private server, but if you want to maybe play with friends, interact with others, but you don't want to have your outfit copied, then you have to change this specific setting. So as you can see, I joined a public server, and in order to make it so others cannot copy my outfit, go over to the settings. So click on settings, go to player, and then scroll down. You will find this option here, can view my outfit. What you have to do is change it from everyone to either friends or no one. As the title of this setting suggests, when you change this, only the specific group of people that you set up here will be able to see the custom outfits that you've made. So if you set it to friends, only people who are on your friends list will be able to see. So you can set it so only people that you trust will be able to see you and they won't copy your outfit. Or you can set it to no one. This way, no one, even including your friends, will be able to see the custom outfits that you've made. And by changing this setting, you can remain on a public server, interact with others, play with friends, and no random person will be able to copy your outfit. You can also change plenty of different options. For example, you can hide everyone, hide non-friends, and so on according to your preferences. But the most important thing by far is here, can view my outfit. Besides this, there's no way to directly block someone, but you can consider joining a private server as well, as I've said in the beginning of the video. This option is usually going to be helpful if you want to remain on a public server. I hope I was able to help you on how to make people not wear your outfit in Catalog Avatar Creator. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.